welcome to my channel. This is the first ever video I have done in a while. Well, I haven't did it really, but I'm gonna tell you about I don't know how much things. I've got loads of toys, so I'm gonna show you some toys and talk about getting to know me better. So first thing, I have loads of fidgets. I'll open up, and this one's probably the biggest puppet I have. It's a Hello Kitty. It's bigger than my face. It pops really well. It really is big, and I really like it. I've got a big butterfly puppet, and you can also pop it because it is a puppet. I've got a unicorn puppet. This is my last big one. I've got, the unicorn. I love this one as well because there's loads of colours, and there's loads of colours on this one. There's definitely loads of colours on this one. There's actually quite a lot of colours on this one as well. It's a unicorn puppet. It's a little mini unicorn puppet. On the horn, it doesn't have pops. Well, normally it don't have pops on there. I have this little mini keyring puppet. I have this keyring puppet. It's red, blue, and purple. I've got this flower puppet. This one's nearly my favourite because it pops really good, both sides. There's a hard side and a good side. And this one's one of my favourite as well because, well, it is my favourite. This one. It's multicolour. It's really good pop. I really like it. I've got a love heart puppet. I have a lot of puppets. I got a dog puppet, which I like as well because there's good pops on it. I have a puppet, big fidget spinner. A big fidget spinner puppet. It's got orange, purple, blue, green, purple, and pink. And I can't really spin it because it's on my hand. I've got this little emoji. I actually don't know which one this one is, but yeah, I don't know. I think it's a fish. I don't know. I've got a really dirty one. It doesn't look dirty on the camera, but it is dirty, which is a cat. I got a blue and orange simple dimple. I've got this wacky track. I think it's a snake actually. Yeah, it's a snake. I've got a blue top tube. I've got a purple one. I've got a little and a little mini one. I've got this bear one. This one's actually my favourite one because it has, I've wanted a blue one, so then I finally had one out of the fidget pack I had. I think I had, what else did I have after that? I don't know. Yes, this one is actually really loud, and and the last puppet I have is this one. It's a square rainbow one. I really like this one as well. This one's my second favourite because it pops really good and other things. And now I've just got other fidgets in here, which I'm going to tell you about. I have, what are these called? Monkey noodles. I have a blue one. I have a pink one and a green one. And I like putting them in knots like this and then doing them so I can show you how to do it. It's more smaller and you can fit more things in the case if you do this. So basically you just need to tie a knot in it, to 2 knots, and that's it. Stretch it really fast. So then there we go. See how little that is compared to that. So yeah, you keep doing that until it's finished. You've did them all, which I really like doing them. It's really fun to do them as well, and it's more entertaining to do. So here's the blue one. Where's the pink one gone? Oh, it's still in there. This one's more thinner than the others. I don't know why, but it just is. And 2. Okay, I've did the other one as well. I also have another simple dimple, but it's a bendy one, which is blue, white, and black. I like it. I like that. I have a pea popper, which this is also really cool. I have a wacky track, which is really fun as well. I have another cat emoji. And I got another cat emoji. This is the last thing I've got. It's another wacky track. No, this isn't a wacky track. This is a marble mash. I think I called the other one wacky track as well. So that's all my fidgets. So I've got 3 more things to show you. So for Christmas I had a chocolate pen. So the chocolate doesn't come in here. You need to buy the chocolate, which you have a chocolate pen and you have a mould. I'll show you. I've opened it before. We've got 2 different moulds. So you've got 2 dolls, something to say, and I don't Blum, I think. There's a mustache, there's a ghost, there's an owl, there's a love heart with wings, there's chips and other things. And the other one has cupcake, a cat, a mouse, a ladybug, a donut, a turtle, and other things. These are really cool. And the chocolate pen is actually quite big. See, look how big that is. It doesn't look big on the camera, but it is really big. So, yeah. What's this? I think, yeah, that's the instructions. Yeah, and that's it. In it. So, the next thing I'm going to be showing you is this blinger. If you don't know how these work, so basically you just need to, if you want to clip it on a bag, you have to take things apart. The instructions are in here, but they are actually really cool. and they could hair, fashion, and anything you can put it on. Like, you can even put it on shoes. That's how cool they are. You can put them on boxes that you want. You can put them on houses. Well, not like toy houses. You can put them on teddies. You can put them on clothes. Anything you want. And the last thing I'm showing you is these really cool slimes. I've got loads of the two of the same, but brighter. Here's the really cool purple. They don't really stretch far, they just... But oh, that one's actually going really far. Yeah, this one is actually really pretty. It's got quite pieces in them. I don't know what they are, but that's my purple. I've put two things into different slimes. I've put little pink balls in orange. The orange one is actually really, really cool. It stretches a bit, but when it breaks, it just comes apart. I've got that. So I've got purple, orange, yellow, blue, green, and others. So I'm just going to show you one of each. Might show you one more thing actually. I've got this really, really, really pretty one. Green. Look, it's like a Christmas tree. It's kind of like a Christmas tree. So I've got a green one. Well, the other green one I might show you because it has little, it's got a lid gone. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's got all bits and pieces in it. You can see it in there. I don't think I want to show you that. I've got this really pretty yellow. Look, it doesn't look that nice on camera, but it actually looks like honey. It looks like real honey. It does. It's really cool. Pretty new. So that's all I'm going to show you today. But I hope you have an amazing night now. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye!